And here is the 11th type of question sentence, but I take it to explain first because it's similar to the first, the second, and the third. So we use là bác bánh trẻ plus men tế plus question mark, and the form is subject plus verb plus object, and the word men tế we use at the end of sentence. So let's see the example. Anh chọn từ té men tế. Anh, it means that you. Chọn, it means that one. Tới is go. Té is home. Men tế is similar to right. So we can say anh chọn từ té men tế. And here is the first type of question sentence that we use the word who, what, or which. That in Khmer language we can say nền ná, vậy, ឬក៏អ្វីមួយ That all of these words in Khmer language we call សព្វនាមសំណួរ But I want detail for the form of this type of question, but I will do it in the next lesson because it's a little bit long. So let's see the example. គាត់ជានរណា គាត់ it means that he. ជា it means that is. នរណា it means that who. So who is he in Khmer language we say គាត់ជានរណា For this type of question sentence we use the word when or other word. That in Khmer language we can say ថ្ងៃណា and we call it គុណនាមសំណួរ So let's see the example. អ្នកនឹងទៅថ្ងៃណា That អ្នក is you, នឹង is will, ទៅ is go, ថ្ងៃណា is when. So to say when will you go, in Khmer language we can say អ្នកនឹងទៅថ្ងៃណា And for this type of question sentence we use such as the word why. That in Khmer language we can say ហេតុអ្វីបានជា And also for this type of question I will explain more in the next lesson because it's a little bit long. So let's see the example. ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នករៀនភាសាខ្មែរ It means that why do you learn Khmer? And for this type of question sentence we use when we already know the answer but we don't know sure is it right or not. So we ask to confirm the answer. So let's see the example. ពីរដង it means that 2 times. Or ទៅផ្សារ it means that go to market. Or so say it means that right. Or for this type of question sentence we use when we want to ask because we don't know the answer. So for example ម៉ាក់ហៅអ្នកណា That in English it means that mom, who do you call? And maybe she will reply you back that ហៅប៉ាកូន it means that call your dad. And the second example អ្នកណានឹងធ្វើវាមុន it means that who will do it first, and you can answer me. You can say ខ្ញុំ And for these two type of question sentence, the first is the positive interrogative sentence, and the second is negative interrogative sentence. So let's see the example. តើឯងនៅផ្ទះដែរឬទេ It means that are you at home? And for the negative interrogative sentence we can say តើឯងមិននៅផ្ទះទេឬ It is opposite. And the second example ហេតុអ្វីឯងទៅពេទ្យ It means that why do you go hospital? And for the negative interrogative sentence we can say ហេតុអ្វីឯងមិនទៅពេទ្យ It means that why don't you go to hospital?